Right, so here we have the schema of the quizzes that we want to interact with. We're also going to need the model, the mongoose model, that's going to give us the low-level, generic functions, CRUD functions that are going to allow us to interact with the database. So let's in a separate file, right, we're going to create a quizzes .model .server.js, and in here we're going to load our mongoose library. This is going to have the functions to be able to create the model. We're also going to need the schema, right? So let's load the schema. So this is the quizzes schema. We're going to load it. It's in the same directory, and we can load that file. Once we have the schema, we can create the model. So we'll say const quizzes model. And we're going to use mongoose to create the model. And the model is going to take two arguments. The first argument is a unique identifier, right? Throughout our mongoose instance, we have a single mongoose instance in our framework, right? So we're going to give it a unique identifier, which can be used to be referenced by other places in the application. So we're going to say quiz model, right? And then it needs a schema to know what is it that is storing, retrieving, deleting. So it's be the quizzes schema. Right, if we have the model, we're going to export it so that it can be used elsewhere, maybe in a DAO or in a service or in a controller, so that other folks can use the low-level generic functions, right, to interact with the database. Right, so we're going to do a module exports and export the model.